welcome back to my channel. So today we're creating this look right here. It's coming into summer right now, so I'm doing a bronzy natural look, even though natural looks take like 200 products to create. This is still what I'm defining as natural today, so I really like it. It is quite simple to create. I do have some faux freckles chucked in there as well. They may or may not have actually succeeded in the making of those faux freckles, but it's makeup, it'll wash off. Anyway guys, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like the video, follow my social medias, and hope you enjoy. Bye. Jumping straight into primer, I'm going to grab the Essence Fresh and Fit Awake Primer. I really like this because it is slightly pore minimizing and it's just super hydrating, and my skin needs hydration really badly right now. I decided to go with an old one because I really don't use this foundation very often. I don't really know why. This is the Bourjois Healthy Mix foundation, anti-fatigue foundation. Mine's in the shade, I gotta stop doing this, number 52. I think it's one of the lighter ones. I don't really know why I never grabbed this. It's just at the back of my drawer, so I was like, might as well give it a crack today. Next up, we're going to go in with cream bronzer, cream blush, and concealer because I just wanted to do something a little extra today that I don't usually do. So I'm going to do bronzer today. This is the Essence Adventure Awaits Get Sunkissed Stick Bronzer. I really love this formula. It is, it's not quite matte. There's a little bit of shimmer in it, but it's just so natural and nice, and it just blends out like a dream. Born This Way multi-use sculpting concealer. Been obsessed with this. In my opinion, if you like Tarte Shape Tape, but if you're dry like I am, Shape Tape's too drying. It just makes you look a little bit cakey. This one doesn't. I'm obsessed with this at the moment, and it's actually a little bit cheaper here in Australia than the Tarte one, mainly because of shipping. I'm going to apply my cream blush after I blend this out just because it makes it a little bit more smooth and seamless. That way it doesn't blend in with everything else and I don't get like pink stuff up here. I'm just going to set my under eyes because they crease pretty easily. Just not because of the concealer, it's just because of my eye shape, and I do have some like natural folds under my eyes. So the only powder that I really use at the moment is the Colourpop No Filter one in translucent. It's really good. It doesn't make it look cakey. There's no like, it doesn't oxidize or anything like that. It just makes it look really good. So I just put that under my eyes and on my smile lines, and then for the rest of the face I'm very lightly setting the rest of my face with the Australis Fresh and Flawless pressed powder. It's a cult classic. I just realized I set my face before I applied my cream blush, so I won't be using the cream blush today, but it was going to be the Tarte Blissful Cheek Stain, but I'll go and grab a powder blush now. So in that case, for the blush, I'm going to grab the Juvius Place Serafina. God, I'm really bad. It looks like this. It's stunning. It's really pretty. So that's going on my face today. And then it wouldn't be a very bronzy look if I didn't go on with a warm tone highlighter. So I'm grabbing the Mecca Max Skin Halo in Solid Gold. Moving on to eyeshadows, I did fill in my eyebrows off camera. It was just easier. It was nothing special, just do normal eyebrow routine. So for eyeshadow, I'm going to grab the Cocoa Blend by Zoeva. It's a very different palette actually. I love it. It's got a wide variety of shades that you usually wouldn't put together, but they did, and it somehow works, and I really appreciate it, and I'm pretty sure they sell for $39, so that's really affordable for Sephora. One of those Real Techniques under eye setting brushes. They're like massively large for an eye brush, but I'm going to go in with the shade Substitute for Love. It's just a matte light brown shade, and I buff that into my crease and I drop my palette. I'm also going to take that and smoke out my lower lash line with it, just pretty gently, nothing over extreme. The next shade I'm going to be using is the Pure Ganache, I think it is. It's this goldy goldy bronzy shade. I'm just gonna apply it with my finger because I always find the color payoff is a lot better. Inner corner highlight, I'm going to take the Mecca Max Highlighter again, but this one's in white gold, so it's a little bit paler. It comes on camera really, really pale, but that's just going to go in my inner corner. I'm going with falsies today because I want to have like a natural look, even though I've used like 20 products because that counts as natural these days. I'm going to use the Essence Volume Stylist. This is the Curl and Hold. Next is something you definitely don't have to do, and if it actually doesn't work, you won't even see this because I'll just cut it out of this video. But I'm gonna try I think it's sort of Penold. I'll link her Instagram below. She uses the L'Oreal Magic Touch hairspray, and like, she like sprays it on her arm or something and then it like splatters, so like you get a faux freckle look, and I thought that would be really, really cool for this look if it works. It is actually kind of working. I do have some like freckly things up here. On my lips here, but I'm taking the Fenty Beauty. This is the Stunna lip paint in Unbuttoned. This was today's tutorial, making this makeup look right here. I actually really like how it turned out. Let me know if you liked it, and if you didn't, my bad. Can't please everyone. But if you did like it, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and have a great day, night, or wherever you are. Bye.